Here's how to check for Adobe Acrobat Pro updates and restore missing features on Windows and Mac. On Windows, open Adobe Acrobat and click Help from the top menu bar. Under the Help menu, select Check for Updates to download and install any available updates, new features, and bug fixes. You can also enable automatic updates to make sure Acrobat stays up to date. Click Edit, then select Preferences. Scroll down and select Updater from the left sidebar. Choose Automatically Install Updates and enable Install Optional Components. Click OK to save your changes. That's it, you're all set. On Mac, open Adobe Acrobat and click Help from the top menu bar. Select Check for Updates to manually check for and install any available updates. To enable automatic updates, click Acrobat from the top menu bar, then select Preferences. Scroll down to Updater and check the box for Automatically Install Updates. Click OK to save your changes. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks.